Alright, what's going on, guys? Just real quick, I'm going to start like a weekly small account update too. So I started this account technically a couple months ago. Well, I mean, I've had the account for years. I don't really use Robinhood because I don't love it, but I know that the majority of people watching these videos may be using Robinhood because it's pretty simple and easy to use on the phone and very quick to sign up for. So I decided to use it for purpose of this challenge, but I'm going to try and grow a small $5,000 account to, well, wherever we get it to, right? I'm going to try and just do it on a year, see how that goes, and then maybe continue from there depending on how this works out. So I just wanted to give a quick update of what I've done so far with the account so that you guys can follow along week to week as we make more decisions. But I started averaging into Bitcoin back in like September or something. Not very much. I only put $500 in maybe, but you can see we're up at just over $500. We're up about $257 on that 500 bucks, so 50% return on my initial investment. Not too bad. And then this Ethereum play, I'm not going to be up very much on. Yeah, 1%, because I just got into this very recently. I have quite a bit of money in here, and this is speculating based on what I know about crypto and the next phase of crypto. I'm expecting a pretty big breakout from Ethereum. I'm not going to go into details on that for this video, but I have quite a bit more Ethereum than this in my main brokerage account at quite a lower cost. So I got in late here, and I wouldn't advise doing that in most cases, but this is a continuation of a bigger play in my different portfolio, and I'm just trying to make some extra like spending money for me and my family for the holidays. So this is going to be a swing trade. I'm going to be in and out of this pretty quick. Expecting it to do pretty well, but we'll see. But anyways, that's pretty much all I got. Besides, earlier today I made an analysis video on Broadcom and said I was going to buy some of that. So again, I spent $50 on Broadcom today. And bought some of that. I'm not sure why it's not showing. There we go. It's showing. Look at that. We've made 7 cents. We're rich, folks. We're rich. No, I'm just kidding. But, we'll see how this goes over time. Basically, I'm just going to stick small amounts of money into this account. I have $50 weekly deposits set up right now, and I don't really want to go too much bigger than that because the whole point of this is to try and show like what you can do with a very small account over time. And $200 a month is a realistic target for I think a lot of people for investing. I mean, that's what you pay for like your car insurance or your cell phone for a lot of people. If you have 2 people in your family, you're probably paying $200 a month for your cell phone plan. So, look at it as a bill, set up a recurring deposit, and if you want to, you can follow along with me on this account. However, none of what I'm telling you is financial advice, so please don't just blindly do what I'm doing. Do your own research and try to learn from what we're doing on this channel. But I wanted to show you guys what I've got in this account so far. So far, all these plays are winning. This can be ignored. This is like a really old thing. Look at that. I lost $600. That was so long ago, years and years and years ago when I very first started getting into investing. And that just goes to show you shouldn't listen blindly to what people tell you. This is a perfect example. I got a tip on these guys. It was like a gamble, and I stuck $600 in there, and you see how that worked out. So. It's a stupid decision, but I was young and dumb, so anyways, you can just ignore that. I can't sell it because it's literally not worth anything, so that's why it's sitting there. If anybody knows a way I can hide this, that would be cool, because I really just don't even want to see it, but maybe there's a way. I don't know, I'll look into that. But anyways, this is the portfolio right now. We got 2 crypto plays going and $50 into Broadcom from today's video, and currently we are up, I believe, about $300 to $400 on our total investment so far, so not too bad for just starting the account. But the goal is to do about 20% plus over a year, so we'll see how that works out. Hopefully we can do even better than that, but that's the goal. I'm going to target 20% gain from now till November of next year. That's my goal. You can never foresee exactly what's going to happen in the world. We could go to war, we could have a stock market correction, all sorts of stuff, but I'll show you how to play the downside too. You can make money on the way down in a market too. It's just a little bit harder. So if those opportunities show up, we'll go ahead and try for them. But for now, this is the account. Here's where we're at. This is the current portfolio, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks.